Hey everyone, Matthew here once again at Earthworks. I feel like I'm here every day for some reason because I think I am. I have a lovely Canna Lily. Now there are hundreds of varieties of Canna Lilies. We have maybe 5 or 6 or 7 varieties right now, but we do have several different colors. Some of them grow tall, some of them stay short, but all of them are very colorful, very vibrant. They love the sun. However, they can bloom into some very low light conditions. I wouldn't say the deepest of shade. They could grow there, but they might not bloom as much there. But give them full sun, part sun, and even wet feet. They can grow in the water as well. So if you have a trouble spot that stays wet a lot or is low, cannas love that. They also attract hummingbirds, which is an extra special addition to this really cool, colorful plant. Come check them out at Earthworks. You know what? We have a great Instagram page. We are on Facebook and we have a YouTube account. We have lots of videos about plants, lots of great gardening information. Check them out. We'll see y'all next time.